Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in SpringWatch. 14 video projects coming out to you back to back for 2 solid weeks, all focusing on the Spring Summer catalogue and celebration. We've had a whole bunch, we're into the final few now, and nothing says spring to me more than Easter eggs. Well, daffodils perhaps, but you know, I don't live in Wales anymore, but Easter eggs, and it has to be an Easter basket. And in here, hopefully you can see, there's a whole load of Easter eggs. We've got purple ones in the Highland Heather, we've got blue in the Balmy Blue box, we've got, gold ones in the Pineapple Punch, and we've got grapefruit colours in the Grapefruit Grove. So I'm going to show you how to make this. And on the front, I did consider putting an Eastery sort of thing, you know, like a bunny or an egg or something like that. And then I saw the Cute Crew punch box and I thought, I can't resist. So I will show you that when I come to stamp, but super duper easy. Obviously there are the 4 colours in the Gingham Gala pack. Here's the colour number 5. And my Easter eggs, the foiled eggs, best before May 19. We better eat them quickly. I have got some green ones. They're not an exact green, that's okay. The blue isn't an exact and the purple isn't an exact. Good enough for me. Amazon, not very expensive. Okay, so 6 by 6, 15 and a quarter by 15 and a quarter. It's like pre-cut paper. Love pre-cut paper. Okay, so we're going to slide it into the punch board up to the 1.5 inch mark. 3.8 centimetres, punch and score, and then we're going to slide it along and do the same. So punch and score and then slide it to 3.5 inches, which is 8.9 centimetres. Punch and score and then turn it round, and we don't need this anymore. I've scored a line there and that's going to match up to that part. Excuse me. So you punch and score and punch and score and just keep going all the way round. And I've done this on the wrong side. Oh well, doesn't matter. Well, it will do, but I might get cracking and creasing because I'm going to be folding in the wrong direction, but well, that's okay. We can have one odd box, okay, with the big gingham as opposed to the little gingham. Okay, I just realised, because I'm filming a couple of videos back to back, yesterday I said it was Treat Friday, it wasn't, it's Thursday. This is what happens when you film in advance. Oh dear. Oh no, I still want to do it the wrong way round. Right. Okay, so I want the little gingham on the way out. I've just realised today's project is Friday. Maybe I'll shuffle everything around. I don't know. Okay. Maybe you're watching this on Thursday. The joy, seriously, the joy of filming ahead. I've no idea where I am. I don't know where I am. Okay, so I'm going to fold that up and it's going to come together like that. So there's little bits that I want to cut. So I'm going to cut either side of my wide triangle just to that point. And put my scissors away, so let's get them back out again. So they're separated, and what's going to happen is that's going to fold around and that's going to go up. But I want these bits to fold out so you can see inside. Oh look, that one's popped open. Let me get another glue dot. I closed it up with snail and then afterwards I thought, no, probably should have used glue dots. So we're going to do that now. We'll use our glue dots on here. So that's on that bit. And that one on there. So now, when I close it all up, that bit is just going to be on display, which will be fine. So I'm going with a glue dot in each of those parts. And then you just bring it round. last one in place. So there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm pinching and holding. Actually, no, I'm not pinching and holding on this one. What I want to do is decide which you want is the front and back. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to put 2 holes in this side and 1 on that side. Because you can see I've got 2 holes there and just 1 there. So whichever is going to be the back is where it gets 2 holes. And in the front we'll have 1. Now what I love about this suite, it's just fantastic. You've got these 5 colours, and then you've got the 5 matching ribbons in the Celebration brochure, so you can get those for free. But there are also these little sequins, sticky back sequins in the same colours as well. So there's the Balmy Blue, there's the Grapefruit Grove, there's the Highland Heather, there's the, is it Pineapple Punch? I really hope it is. And there's the Lemon Lime Twist. So it's a real match thing going on, and I have to say it, Stampin' Up does colour coordination better than anybody I know. And obviously I used to do lots of crafting before I joined Stampin' Up. So yeah, they really do the colour coordination absolutely brilliantly. Right, so I'm going to go through the back. Actually, sorry, from the front. No, I do want to do it through the back. Has anybody got a coffee? Fiddly fingers today. So that's coming through the back, and I want to get these 2 ends to pretty much match up, and do my very best to feed them both through at the same time. There we go. So both fed through at the same time. And then I'm going to tie a bow on those. Off the excess of the ribbon. So that, oh, I didn't put my eggs in. I didn't put any eggs in it. Put your eggs in. Right, let's see what green ones I've got. I've had these hidden in my drawer. Normally at this point in time of filming of a project, there's none left. There's 6 there. 7, 8, 9. I believe this fits 13. I can't remember. 10, 11, 12. Oh no, it's 15. 13, 14, 15. Possibly could be room for a bit more. Maybe not. I think 15. And that's a very nice treat. Okay, so now to finish off, let me get a scrap of Whisper White. That's a good size scrap. And then the stamp set, you might have overlooked it because it's on the same double page spread as the amazing 9 Lives cat and the brand new Happy Tales with the Dog Builder Punch. So you might have missed it. It's there, or it might have jumped straight out at you. The tin is what caught my eye. I love it. I do have all 3 of our tins. I still haven't decided what to put in it yet. But inside this tin, sorry, I trashed my nails opening it. You get a block. A stamping spot. There's a clear block there. I usually use those for photography, actually. You get the stamp set. You get a pack of pencils, watercolour pencils. I'm actually not going to use them. You get the punch, and you get the stamp set, which goes across like that. And I love it all. Actually, I'm going to pinch that out because I stand my projects on them and sometimes near them. But isn't the tin amazing? I love it. It's just, ooh, let me measure it for you. I've never measured one before. So it's a shade over 8 inches, which is 20 centimetres. So I'm going to say about 20 and a half. And then the depth of it, oh, 2 5/8, 6 1/2, pushing 7 centimetres. Really good size box. I'm not gifting mine away. I'm keeping mine. So we've got, well, I don't know what that is, a bear that says for you, an owl that says thinking of you, a fox that says happy birthday, a turtle that says way to go, or tortoise. I'm going to say turtle because it looks like it's possibly in water. A lion that says thank you, and then I'm doing the whale that says you're the best. Not Eastery at all. I don't care. I like it. I think it's really adorable, and I'm glitterifying it in a minute. So I'm going to use my stays on. Oh, oh! I think my stays on needs re-inking. Turn it over. Oh, smudged all over that now. Definitely needs re-inking. Let's get another one out. The emergency spare. There are church bells. I can hear them. And I'm filming this on a Friday, so I wonder if there's a wedding going on. Although it'd be quite early for a wedding. Well, actually, no, it's 5 to 11 my time. Okay, so here's the lovely punch that goes with it. I just think that's such a cute shape, and I really do hope this sticks around for a while. So I'm going to punch that out. I'm going to get my lovely sticky back sequins, and I'm going to go for a flower one. Where did that go? Over there. Just pop it in the How did I put that on the back? I definitely need more coffee. And then I've got my lemon lime twist, and I've got a tiny, tiny little block. This is an A block, and I'm going to squish it in, and I'm making, you can see that's changed colour. I'm going to make my own like watercolour palette. A wink of Stella here. Smush all around. Where's one of those ones that didn't work? And just check the colours coming out beautifully, which it is, and it's all glittery. So I can colour in my whale in green with glitter and green all at the same time. Green glittery whale. And I've just totally gone over the edges. I really think I need to go to an optician. So I've cleaned off my wink of Stella so it's all clear again. Let's pop this on autofocus for a second. Hello, Sorrel. And let me try and tip it so where you can see the lights. And it's beautifully glittery. Oh, come on, focus. It's lovely and glittery. I think you can probably see it shining. Anyway, so to clean this up, I don't clean this in my stamping pad, in my stamping scrub, or not most of it. I actually swipe it off like that, so the majority is gone. Then I go over to my stamping scrub, give it a clean, and it's clean again. So, oh, for goodness sake, kitten. She's parading along the back. I don't know if you can see her shadow. She's not quite as in your face, literally, as Berry. Berry is the one who likes to touch the camera. Oh no, she's off again. And then onto the front, just off at a little angle. And those 5, I think, are really lovely. I think they're so sweet, and I think it's Easter. Easter wrapped up with the, it's kind of, it feels like the right kind of ribbon for Easter. I don't know if that makes any sense to anybody. I hope it does. Right, anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me and the kitten, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.